Today we're making this delicious, quick and easy roasted potatoes. Let's get into the recipe. So today I'll be using some small petite potatoes. Add some olive oil in with some seasoning, which I will list in the description or the caption. Give it a real good toss. Then we'll assemble them into my air fryer. Today I'll be using the roast setting, so we'll roast this on 350 for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, they look perfect. We can now plate this up and enjoy. You can have this as an appetizer, or you can serve it as a side with some veggies and some protein. So give the recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. As I said, I will leave all my ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.